So in this Canadian investing tutorial, I will be showing you how to buy Tesla stock here in Canada using Wealthsimple. So once Wealthsimple is opened up, go to the bottom, press the magnifying glass, then go to the top and press the search bar. Once you're here, you can type in Tesla or ticker symbol TSLA. At the top, you can go ahead and select it. Once Tesla stock is here, go to the bottom left, select the account that you want to buy it in. So for this example, I will just select my non-registered account and then I'll press on trade and then buy. So once you're on this page right here, you can go to the top right and select the order type. For this example, I will just use market. So for example, if I wanted to buy $2 worth, I will type in 2. It'll show you how much shares that'll mean, and then go to the bottom right, or I guess the middle right, and select review. Once you're on this page right here, you can go ahead and review the transaction for Tesla stock. And if this looks good to you, you can go to the bottom, press on queue order, and then proceed that way with the transaction, or you can press buy if the markets are open. So that's pretty simple, but that is how to buy Tesla stock here in Canada using Wealthsimple. Thanks again for watching and hope this helps.